All right, we've got an Optimus Prime action figure transformer. If you are here watching this video, you probably had the same problem I did. How do you transform this into the truck? There are 27 steps. Way too advanced for my 4-year-old, for bigger kids. So I made the mistake of buying this perhaps when he's a little too young. But nonetheless, I am going to show you how this transforms step by step. And so hopefully we can help you out and save you a little bit of time. That's what this channel is all about, saving you time and money, home projects, purchases for the home, cool things for the kids, you name it. So this is the goal, to get it down, transformed, Optimus Prime to the truck. So we're going to go ahead and remove the weaponry from his hands, and we're going to 90-degree bend his elbows, kind of like this. And for the most part, we're going to focus on the feet first. We're going to twist each leg from knee down 180 degrees, and then we'll pop these open. And we're going to push these gray things out, and there's little flaps that kind of flip over. We're going to untuck the wheels, and we're going to pinch the feet together like this. Now we'll eventually clip the entire legs together, but we can hold off on that for now. Let's go ahead and flip him over on his stomach, so to speak, and we're gonna pull up these two little kneecap things, little blue pieces of plastic, and you might need something to pry these up if they don't come up easily. All right, so now we're gonna start to focus on the top part. We're gonna pull this back piece up, and we'll eventually rotate it. You can rotate it now or wait, but we're gonna take these two little plastic pieces out and this gray piece and flip up. And we'll turn them back around, open up the breastbone, the two chest pieces, the windows, right? And we're going to tuck his head under. Now don't close those windows back up yet. You can keep things open. And you can kind of feel around and see where things bend and sway. And we're going to start to swing his legs back to form the bed of the truck. And coming up is one of the most difficult parts of the transformation, and that is extracting the wheels. So we're going to kind of dig in. You might need something to help pry up the wheel, but you can do it with just your fingers. You're going to be kind of tough with it. Pull those wheels out, and you're going to pull them all the way down. And you're going to do both wheels as shown. You want them fully downward for now, out of those little cavities. Next, we'll flip the top part up, and remember earlier I said you could rotate this piece. Well, if you did that, it should just come right down. If you didn't rotate it, you can go ahead and rotate it now, because you'll find if you don't, there's nothing for this. You can't really bend this piece down. So tip it up, and then you'll just kind of rotate it right here, and then it will go ahead and fold down. Remember we said keep those breastbones open, those two windshields, because this piece is going to kind of go down, and the windows will enclose, wrap around what you just pulled down, the roof, so to speak. And from there, it's kind of a matter of manipulating the plastic pieces. Those two guns, I guess they're guns, kind of point outward, and you're going to be tucking things in, pulling out the pieces of plastic, kind of the red doors. And it'll take you a little bit here. You can go ahead and rewind if you need to, if I went too fast there, and you'll kind of compress things down like that, and then close the red pieces of plastic, the doors. And if you feel any large amounts of tension, don't push it, but things should, with a little bit of firm pressure, snap into place. And then we're going to focus on the wheels again. Make sure those wheels are down. You'll snap in the bed, kind of those gray pieces there. And then the wheel should bend back up into the wheel wells themselves. And then you can pinch those back legs together. You could have done that in an earlier step, no problem. And that is pretty much it. Next, we'll take the battle axe and form it into the, I guess it's cargo, for the bed of the truck. So that folds in and then adheres to the back of the bed like that, and then you could adhere the weaponry to the top, and that is it. And you reverse the process to get them back to Optimus Prime. And we'll stop the video there. Hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.